not too late. Now is the best time to plan for 2025. If you want this year to be your most focused, productive, and energizing year yet, it starts with one thing: your morning routine. Think about it. The way you start your morning sets the tone for the rest of the day. If you wake up feeling rushed, scrolling through your phone, skipping breakfast, and running out of the door stressed, your whole day feels chaotic. But if you start your morning with structure, intention, and clarity, you feel in control, ahead of your schedule, and unstoppable. And that's why today I'm going to show you how to create and track your perfect morning routine using the personalized morning routine tracker 2.0 Pro. It's a Notion template designed to help you wake up on purpose, stick to your healthy habits, and stay consistent all year long. Let's jump in. So once you download the personalized morning routine tracker 2.0 Pro, this is what you'll see. The layout is super clean and everything is designed to be customizable because no two morning routines should look the same. So step 1 is to choose your morning habits. What do you want your ideal morning to look like? Do you want to start with meditation, a workout, journaling, or reading? In this section, you'll find a pre-built routine, but the best part is you can edit, remove, or add activities that align with your goals. That's why it's a personalized morning routine. So just click on any habit, rename it, and set the duration, whether it's a quick 5-minute stretch or a 30-minute deep work session. Step 2 is to prioritize what matters most. So right at the top, you'll see a section that is called the personalized morning routine checklist. This is where you write down the most important things that you want to accomplish in the morning. By setting clear priorities, you start your day with purpose instead of reacting to distractions. The next thing this template allows you to do is track your progress and stay consistent. Because planning a routine is one thing, but sticking to it, that's where most people struggle. So there's a daily habit tracking of each day where you'll come in and check off the habits you completed. Seeing your progress visually keeps you accountable and helps build momentum. There is also an energy and mood logging, a self-assessment feature where you log your energy levels, mood, and focus every morning. Over time, you'll start spotting patterns like, do you feel more energized when you wake up at 6 a.m. instead of 7 a.m.? Does skipping exercise affect your mood for the rest of the day? By tracking these insights, you can fine-tune your routine for maximum results. Finally, there's an automatic streak system. To keep you motivated, the tracker automatically records your streaks, so every day you stick to your routine, you'll see your consistency increase. This makes it easy to stay committed and build long-term habits. Finally, here's how you can optimize your routine for long-term success. Now that your routine is in place, let's make sure it actually sticks. First, you want to start small. Don't overwhelm yourself with 10 new habits. Pick 3 to 5 key habits and focus on consistency first. Stay flexible. Life happens. If a habit isn't working, adjust it instead of quitting altogether. Finally, you want to review and improve. Every week, take 2 minutes to reflect on what's working, what needs tweaking, and how do you feel after completing your routine. With this system, you'll create a morning routine that actually works for you, not just in January, but all year long. If you want to make your 2025 your most productive year ever, your morning routine is key, and this Notion template makes it effortless to stay on track. Click the link in the description to grab your personalized morning routine tracker 2.0 Pro and start transforming your mornings today. And if you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe, and drop a comment letting me know what one habit you're adding to your morning routine. Let's make this year the year we finally take control of our mornings. See you in the next video.